Okay, in this slides, we're going to talk about the McKinley event study paper, in which he relates to different models for measuring performance. On the one side, we have normal models for normal return, and on the other side, we have models for abnormal returns. For the normal returns, we can see that we have the market model, which is a statistical model which relates to the returns of any given securities to the return of the market portfolio, where RF and RMT are the period T returns on security I and the market portfolio respectively, and epsilon 8 is the zero mean disturbance term. Moreover, we can also see that we can use it also suggests that the economic models could be used, which can be cast as restrictions on the statistical models to provide more constrained normal returns. As a result, there's two common models that I use, which are the capital asset price model and the arbitrary pricing theory. Other statistical model, moreover, there's also McKinley also talks about other statistical models, such as the factor model or the multi-factor models included, which include industry indexes. Now let's move into the abnormal returns. This relates to the estimation of abnormal returns of the market model, where R, IT, and RMT are the returns in event period T for security I and the market respectively. Moreover, on the general conditions, ordinarily square is a consistent estimation procedure for the market model parameters. We also go. The paper also talks about the statistical properties of our normal returns, which relates to the which means that the abnormal returns is the disturbance term of the market model, calculated on an output basis, on a sample basis. And lastly, there needs to be an aggregation of the abnormal returns, which can be seen car T1 and T2. Thank you very much.